Welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Monday the 15th of February 2010. With the Asian markets a lot quieter in terms of volume, that has affected some of the European trade, with China out for the Lunar New Year holidays until they return on Thursday. And also today does mark President's Day, so US also out of the market. That's left the economic calendar pretty light for today. No real economic releases to mention of note. However, in terms of where we stand on the focus of the markets, it's still very much on the Greek situation. Market participants now looking ahead to the Eco-Finance Minister meeting to begin in Brussels at 5 PM today, where most analysts anticipate not too much change in the rhetoric from last week, although they're likely to accord in giving their backing to Greece. Any details as such are likely to be abstained for the time period. Elsewhere as well, we've seen the credit default swaps rise in the 5-year. In terms of Dubai, once again, those did rise at the end of last week. Some of concerns still abating in regard to the restructuring of Dubai World and their Nikhil fund and debt repayments. However, stocks in Europe are trading positive, up around 0.5% or so in terms of FTSE, CAC and DAX, being predominantly led by basic materials as spot gold has reclaimed the 1,100 handle. Likes of Rio Tinto outperforming up around 3.5% after Bank of America upgrade, and Anglo-American also trading high around 2% after they outlined quite aggressive cost-cutting reductions for this year. In terms of bond futures then, we have just slipped into negative territory. And looking ahead, as mentioned, the calendar is pretty quiet, so the session should remain relatively subdued with the focus later to that 5 PM Brussels Eco-Finance Minister meeting.